From Disney to Six Flags, which is my play, shares have fittingly been on a roller coaster ride over the last year, but on the upswing today after reporting their earnings. The stock, you can see, up almost 6% today, despite reporting attendance dropped 26% last year from the prior year. Six Flags revenue dropped 9% for the year, despite a 22% increase in average guest spending, which was driven by higher admission and in-park spending per capita. Said their CEO, quote, "We are pleased to have delivered record fourth quarter adjusted EBITDA, which provides evidence that our new strategy and new culture are beginning to take hold." Now, part of that new culture involves headcount reduction and employees working less. Is this a model for long-term success? Fewer visitors spending more money. That's a steep drop-off, 26% decline in people coming through the turnstiles.
A very steep drop-off, and also a very difficult time to really see such a drop-off and raise their prices by so much, given the fact that consumers are paying more for almost every aspect of their life right now because of inflation. It's interesting, some of these changes that the company are doing. You mentioned that they're just in terms of their turnaround plan, investing in these parks. They also have VIP lounges. It was something that they did tout on the call. Once again, a VIP lounge at Six Flags. I don't exactly know what that would look like, and if that's going to be enough to get people to visit their parks, but it's one of these points that they keep going back to time and time again. But I think, given the fact that when consumers are spending, they're spending on experiences, and Six Flags still seeing that drop, is a little bit worrisome here.
Yeah, I personally love Six Flags. I always have a good time whenever I go there. I think the key phrase on the earnings call was course correction. Management did guide to more optimism in 2023, and I think that's why shares are higher today. But we did hear from James Hardiman from Citi this morning. He said for him, this is a show me story. They want to grow attendance by double digits. How do you get there? We need to see those results in the coming quarters.
CFRA upgraded the stock on the earnings report.
I know, yeah, and the estimates were lowered by so much. There was some mixed reaction there on the street about these most recent quarters. Okay.